What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another song tutorial. Today we're doing Great Are You Lord by All Sons and Daughters. Really cool song. I'm going to be showing it to you in the key of G and in some other keys if you're interested. And then we're going to be doing strumming and picking and doing the 2 chord progressions that this song uses, which sound really good. And by the way, you can download the PDF for this whole thing with the chords and lyrics using the links in the description. It is free. So let's jump right into it. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a demo and of how I'm going to teach it to you. So it's going to be a basic way, but we're going to add it a little bit, and we're going to go quite deep into the song. All right. So you could just learn the basic chords, but you're probably here for more than that. Okay. So the verse is very simple. It goes like this: You give light, you are love, you bring light to the darkness. And the chorus the same. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise, pour out our praise. It's your breath in our lungs, so we pour out our praise to you only. And then bridge does this thing. We're going to use this G sus4 chord a lot. And all the earth will shout your praise, our hearts will cry. I like to use this G sus4 actually. Will cry, these bones will sing. Great, C at 9, are you love? And we're going to do it with this picking pattern as well. All the earth will shout your praise, hearts will cry, these bones will sing. So let's start. We're going to jump into these chords. I'm just going to walk over them quickly. G, C add 9, E minor 7, and D sus4, which we could use a regular D as well. And then in the bridge, we're going to add these 2 chords, one or the other. So I like to use the first one. It's easier than the second one, and it sounds a little bit nicer for me for this song. And then a G sus4, you use these 2 fingers and then you put the sus4 there. And then you could do a regular G like that. All the earth will shout your praise, our hearts will cry, these bones will sing. Okay. So a G is going to be our 1 chord, C our 4 chord, E minor our 6, and D our 5. Okay. Now for the strumming and the picking patterns, we use these 2. So for the strumming, it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, for the picking pattern, it's P, I, P, M, P, I. So if I'm doing in a C chord, let's do it on a C add 9 chord. These 2 fingers are going to be on strings 3 and 2, and the thumb is going to be on strings 5 and 4. We do this. P, I, P, M, P, I. So it's a fast picking pattern. I'm going to show you these chord shapes in a second, but the P, I, P, M, you can first do it by tapping it on your guitar like P, I, P, M, P, I. It's harder than it looks, and once you get that, then you'll get it. Okay, chord progressions for the song: intro, verse, and chorus repeats 4, 6, 5 the whole time. Intro, it's 4, 6, 5, and 5 is longer. That's why 4 and 6 are underlined. Okay, 4, 6, 5. That's the basic way. And then for the bridge, we go 1, 1 sus4, to the 4, back to the 1, and then you just start singing over that. They also play that as the instrumental before the bridge. Okay, so that's it for the basic way. Let me show you some with the picking pattern how that's going to sound like, and I might just go to the verse here, so you can have the verse up there. You give life, you are love, you bring life to... I like to play this D sus4 chord like we did with the F sharp in the bass. You can use your thumb or your index finger. With darkness you give hope, you restore every heart that is broken. Great are you. Now this is a D chord I like to use instead of the usual D. It's like a D at 11. You take a C chord and move it up 2 frets. And you can even put the pinky at the bottom. It sounds really nice. Then you could do like, it's your breath and our love. That's also a really nice E minor chord. So we pour out our praise, pour out our praise, it's your breath. Very beautiful. Okay, and then in the bridge, nothing fancy in the bridge, just a G. That's one thing you could do with the strumming, just like a chukka 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 chukka, like a down up 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 da, 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 da. That works in the bridge really nice. All the earth will shout your praise, our hearts will cry, these bones will sing. Great are you, Lord. All the earth will shout your praise, our hearts will cry, bones will sing. Great. Sorry, I don't have those lyrics on. Oh, come on. Great. And that's just, I wouldn't do anything fancy in the bridge. You could do this G as well. But that will be overkill. I would not actually do that. Okay, so now that's it for playing it in the key of G. And the original is capo 2, so you could play it with the original. Just put capo 2 and then go from there. But sometimes I like to play it in the key of E. That just sings a little nicer for me. And then you could do the key of F with capo 1 if you wanted to. And I'm quickly going to show you how I would approach that. So for the first chord progression, I'm just going to put it on the chord progressions again. The first chord progression I'll do in the key of E will be A, C sharp minor, and B. Okay, so A. Or you could do this A, A, C sharp minor, you give life, you are love, to the B, to the darkness you give hope. Restore every heart that is broken. Great are you. That's another C sharp minor you could do to the B. Okay, then when you do the bridge, you could do a simple E. The earth will shout to sus4 pinky. Our hearts will cry, these bones will take it to the 4. You could go up with thirds in the scale. the sus4 also like this. So those two down and then pinky over there. These bones will soon break. It's your breath now, Lord. So we pour out our praise. Pour out our praise. It's your breath. Very, very beautiful song. Sorry, just a little mosquito or something. Okay, if we do this in the key of E, that's how I do it. Now, let's go to the key of C, which is another key that you might want to play it in. Maybe you want to do it, or let's actually do the key of D. That's going to be nicer. Okay, so this chord progression in the key of D would be as follows. So we have D is the 1, 4 is G, 5 is A, 6 is B minor. It's your breath in our lungs, B minor. So we pour out our praise, pour out. This key is really nice for female vocals to sing this at. It's your breath. They sing. It's really nice for female vocals to sing it in this key. Okay, so 4, G, 6, B minor, A. Or 4G, B minor. Mute the 5th string with this shape, and then go to an A. Bridge, we're going to do one chord. The earth will shout. sus4 at pinky. Will cry, these bones will sing. I like to great are you, Lord. You could do the that's just another version of 1 sus4 going to 4. What a beautiful song. Okay, so that's it, guys. Go download the PDF. You can check the links in the description, and I'll see you in another video. Join premium membership. It's only $12 a month, depending on the country that you're at. It changes depending on the country. Some countries with lower income will pay less, and countries that have the top income pay $12. Other countries pay about $5, between $5 and $12. So depends where you're at. Okay, have a nice day, guys. Bye.